Hi, Greg Davis here at MarineMax in Savannah. Why don't you take a look at the new 2020 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Give you a quick walkthrough. This one's equipped with bimini top, the fishing package, trolling motor panel, the front bow cushion. Walking back to the back, the new redesigned console gives you a lot more storage. A reversible pilot seat with, in this model, the fuel tank is underneath the back. This one does have a live well. It's powered by the Mercury 60 command thrust. Give you a look at the dash up here. Great place to mount a GPS. For more information on this model or any other Boston Whaler, give us a call here in Savannah, area code 912-897-9881. Thanks.